In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use rules in Zoho Books. If you've ever found yourself bogged down with managing your business transactions, learning to automate some of this work can be a great time saver. Zoho Books offers a feature where you can set up rules to automatically categorize your transactions, helping to streamline your financial management. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow to create your own rules in Zoho Books. First, make your way over to the Banking tab. This is where you'll find all the accounts that you've connected to Zoho Books. From this tab, locate the account where the transaction you want to manage has occurred. This setup will allow Zoho Books to apply your newly created rules to transactions in the targeted account, ensuring consistency in how your finances are recorded. Once you're in the right account, the next thing to do is to click on Manage Transaction Rules. You can find this option by clicking the gear icon right next to Import Statement. Selecting Manage Transaction Rules takes you to the section where you can see all your existing rules, and more importantly, where you can add new ones to handle your unique transaction needs. Now, let's start creating a new rule. Go ahead and click on the Plus New Rule option. This is where the real customization happens. By setting up your personal set of rules, you're teaching Zoho Books to handle repetitive tasks for you. It's like having an extra pair of hands working away in the background. With your new rule window open, categorize a transaction in the same way you want other similar transactions to be categorized. This is key because Zoho Books will prompt you to set up a rule based on how you categorize this specific transaction. Imagine you're training the system by showing it an example. Once it learns, it'll handle future tasks without needing further input from you. After that, it's time to define the criteria for your rule. Here you have flexibility. Specify criteria like payee, description, or amount. You also get to decide whether any one of these criteria can trigger the rule or if all conditions need to be met. That's the power of rules. It molds to fit your specific business needs. Next, give your rule a memorable name. This makes it easier to manage at a glance later on. Choose an action for the rule. For instance, you might want to automatically categorize transactions as an expense or transfer the amount to another account. Think of it as setting the path you want your transaction to take as it flows through your accounting process. Finally, click Save to create the rule. By doing this, you've taught Zoho Books to automatically apply this rule to future transactions that fit the criteria you've specified. This means less manual work for you and more accurate accounting with every passing day. Implementing rules in Zoho Books is a small investment of time that pays off with improved efficiency and precision in managing your business finances.